Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Captain of Racing United, Markovich Brown, says the new season of the Jamaica Premier League will see his team being more competitive, having gained experience from last season as they get set to battle former champions Arnett Gardens in the late game of a doubleheader at the Stadium East field on Monday. Brown says playing Arnett Gardens in the opening game should bring the best out of the team.
The first match Monday night we've been preparing for anyone, and we're going to play Arnett Garden, who we'd have only got a draw from them last season, 2 draw and a loss. So it's gonna be a good game. Two high tempo team going at it Monday night, season opener. Couldn't ask for more.
The match is set to kick off at 7:30 p.m. In the curtain raiser at 5, it will be the St. Catherine Derby as Portmore United will face Dunbeholden. Meanwhile, Treasure Beach FC marked their return to the Jamaica Premier League with a win as they got the better of Spanish Town Police FC 2-0 in the clash of the promoted teams at Stets. It took 62 minutes for the opening goal to come, and after a period of sustained pressure, Shaquille Jones made it 1-0. The win was sealed when Daniel Hardy scored in second half stoppage time. Last year's beaten finalists Mount Pleasant FA got a 78th minute equalizer as they played out a 2-2 draw with Montego Bay United at Draxall. Elsewhere, Chapelton Maroons FC clipped Tivoli Gardens 2-1, while former champions Waterhouse FC blanked Malines United 2-0. And in the late game at the Stadium East field, defending champions Cavalier drew 0-0 with Harbourview. Jamaica's under-17 men's team lost to Windward Islands under-17 men by 4 runs via the Duckworth-Lewis Stern method on the opening day of action in the CWI under-17 50 overs championships at the Queen's Park Oval in Trinidad and Tobago on Sunday. Batting first in the rain-interrupted encounter, Jamaica posted 217 for 9 in 50 overs. Rain Littleton top-scored with 70 from 76 balls in an innings that included 5 fours and 4 sixes. He got support from number 8 batter Joel Williams with 40 and Jamaica's under-17 captain DeMarco Scott 36. New ball medium pacer Tyler Venner with 3 for 47 and Bijan Fanis 2 for 34 were the principal wicket takers for the Windward Islands. After being set a revised target of 117, Windward Islands reached their target in 23 overs to secure victory. Windward's captain and opener Thea Edwards top scored with 36 in the run chase. Littleton returned with the ball, bagging 4 for 33. The other opening round matches between hosts Trinidad and Tobago and Guyana, as well as Barbados against the Leeward Islands, ended in a no contest due to the rain. And finally, Jamaica went down to England in the 7th place playoff at the World Lacrosse Men's Under-20 Championships on Saturday in South Korea. Jackson Davis preserved a 1-goal lead for England with a dramatic save in the final seconds, denying Jamaica in a 14-13 heartstopper. England led 10-4 at halftime, and Jamaica launched an impressive comeback, scoring 6 goals in the third quarter to trail 11-10. England pushed the lead back to 3 at 14-11 with 4 minutes to go, but Jamaica cut the lead to 2 with 2 minutes left and then to 1 with 1 minute to go. But England held on. It was the second time Jamaica was losing to England in the competition as they lost their opening game 11-14. Jamaica finished in 8th, 1 spot improvement over its debut at the event in 2022. I'm Christopher Scott and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.